So for this recipe, you'll need half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of margarine. You'll need half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of anise extract, half a teaspoon of orange zest, 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Okay, so our cookies are out of the freezer and they're firm, not frozen but firm, not super soft like they were before. So I'm just going to kind of mold it, not really mold it, but because they were too soft to do this before, but just enough to kind of give you a rough, so they're as evenish as possible. And then I'm just going to cut them in as evenish pieces as possible. 8 cookies, perfect for a small family. So again, hands are clean, and we're not going to spend a lot of time, just very quickly, boom, boom, because we don't want to heat it back up. We want the margarine to stay cold. These are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 9 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. You just want the edges and the bottoms to be lightly browned. You can leave them as this, but I'm just going to kind of like with the peanut butter cookie, just do that little fork thing, just to flatten them a bit. Now if you don't want it to stick, you can go ahead and dip it in a little bit of flour. Just flour the fork so it doesn't stick, lightly. Some people do sugar, whatever works for you. Okay, so these are, like I said, are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 9 to 12 minutes and cooled on the baking tray for about 2 minutes and cool completely on a wire rack. Thank you so much for watching Nadia's Kitchen Creations, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and even more importantly, please share this video on your social media. All those shares do help this video be discovered and helps this channel to grow. And also head on over to nadiadonella.com for the full and printable recipe. All of my recipe videos that you see are on nadiadonella.com. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.